Peeps, dancehall is a funny place and it is the survival of the fittest, and you have to be strong mentally to survive. And I think, based on observation, POPCAAN is the easiest and softest targeting dancehall, and many persons pick on POPCAAN for various reasons. But I'm gonna also propose to you and suggest to you that POPCAAN, out of this current crop of dancehall artists, is the smartest of the bunch. May I talk about it soon forward.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
So down the years, I've noticed that with POPCAAN, the situation is a love-hate thing. It's either people really love him or people really don't like him. And when you ask people why, they will be quick to tell you that POPCAAN a coward and him a weak fence. They will tell you that Papi a informer. They might tell us I be a police POPCAAN power with. You understand? And they might say him now have no loyalty. And we'd have seen down the years where a number of artists would have gone at POPCAAN. You understand? We saw where Sean Storm went at him. So the new name for Informer, Papi, Mavado, the whole beat and teach thing. We saw where Alkaline went at him with Microwave and Death of Microwave. And other artists would have called POPCAAN name. A number of times we saw Rhino went on his staging thing. We know that ended. You understand me? I say, so one of the major beating stick and hammering point for persons, especially those who pride themselves as being a part of the Gaza nation, is that Vybz Kartel would have been the one responsible for bringing POPCAAN to the people. And since his incarceration, it is believed that POPCAAN has not gone to visit him. I cannot speak to whether or not he has gone. You understand me? I say. However, if POPCAAN has not gone to visit Vybz Kartel, then POPCAAN must know why him not go. Me know people are going to look upon that and say disloyalty and sell him, sell out at the end thing. People even accuse POPCAAN of being the one who sell out Vybz Kartel, say my informer. You understand me? I say, I cannot speak to that either. See, them a say POPCAAN power with beer police. See, but at the end of the day, still, your friends are your friends. And put it this way, if POPCAAN a power with beer police, it means he made back protected legally, so him not forget no fool around him and buy no gun, give no man for them protect him either. You understand? So there are ways to look at this thing, you know. So as I said in the intro piece, I think POPCAAN is probably the most prudent and the smartest of the current bunch of dancehall artists, in that POPCAAN is very methodical. He is always pacing himself the correct way, is making the correct links. And when you look at POPCAAN music is music that lives on. You understand me? I say POPCAAN songs don't just die out after a couple months. POPCAAN songs will play 5 years down the road and a crazy money pull up and a crazy forward, see me, from dream come right back. You understand me? I say POPCAAN music is music that survive the test of time. It's not just a 6 month song and them gone. And not only that, POPCAAN is very wise in terms of how he paces himself in terms of the releases of his song. POPCAAN always have a song in a rotation were very popular, or two. You understand? And as soon as that one start to fade out slightly, another one come. He is probably the most consistent artist as it relates to right throughout the year having big songs playing and getting a lot of time on the ear and getting a lot of rotation in the dancehall space.
You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
So as I said, them would then say him a coward because him chewing the towel, read him of other thing. Them say, yo, him never answer Alkaline. But POPCAAN know exactly what him a do. You understand? The truth of the matter is that Mavado did start rough him up a bit. Zine, and if you really and truly look at the Mavado situation with POPCAAN, how many artists have taken on Mavado musically in the business? You understand me? I say, so credit must be given for that. People think POPCAAN is a pushover, but if you really and truly look upon it, it is quite the opposite. You understand? It's just that he knows when to do something and when not to do it. He chose not to answer Alkaline. It's not that POPCAAN can answer Alkaline. He just decided not to answer Alkaline. POPCAAN vision is that you are going. Dancehall in Jamaica is just dancehall in Jamaica, but dancehall is bigger than Jamaica. And POPCAAN's intention is to get bigger internationally. So he's doing all he needs to do is making the right links. He is collaborating with the right persons and he's taking his time to get a foothold in the overseas market, and he's just keeping himself relevant in dancehall in Jamaica, so he remains relevant and current, but his aim and his goal is to become mainstream on the international scene. So like him or not, what do you think say him is a easy target, or you think him is a weak fence, or you think him is an informer, or you think him power with too much police, or you think he has no loyalty, POPCAAN remains one of the most consistent artists in the business. He remains one of the most relevant artists in the business. I think POPCAAN is just a youth who love enjoying his family's company, the company of his friends, and him just love have a good time. And he is all about making more and more money for himself, his friends, and his family. And him really and truly not have time for the foolishness like some man a fight for run yard while Papi have designs of running abroad. You understand me I say? So the man songs them tell the true story. Few artist songs last as long as POPCAAN, you understand, and POPCAAN is always ready to replace one song after it starts to fade, and his consistency is unrivaled, really and truly. The links them right, the pacing of his songs are right, and the message is right many of the times. So you now listen to the crowd, you understand, their duty is to be Lord. Just go on, make your moves, do what you do, stay positive, stay focused. As I say, Pop Skull now been a jailer, you understand. Father God, we thank you for watching over me. You understand me? I say, just go on do your thing, you know, people always talk. And some people are very short-sighted. They don't see the vision because all them want is foolishness and confrontation and conflict. But they're not seeing the bigger picture. So just go on do your thing, you. You're smarter than the whole of them. You understand me? I say, go on put in the work and no focus pan, no locus.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them. Hey yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.